Hi, today I'll be showing you how to connect a Snowflake Data Warehouse through Google Sheets, as well as how to run and schedule queries. So let's get started. To set up your data warehouse, go to the toolbar section, and within add-ons, click on the Castodia Database Connector and click Settings. Here you can manage your databases by either creating a new database or editing an existing one. To create a new database, you'll need to compile some database connection information, which consists of 3 mandatory fields and 4 optional fields. So the mandatory ones are account name, username and password, and the optional ones are database, schema, warehouse, and role. If you're unsure of where to get this information, a great place to start would be to contact your engineering, IT, or analytics team. And so once you've compiled the information, you can go ahead and get started. So start with your nickname. This can be anything you'd like, so we can use Snowflake Sample. Then click on the drop-down menu to access Snowflake. Then go ahead and input your values. So account name, username, and password are all mandatory. And then you can go ahead and fill out whatever you'd like. So database, schema, warehouse, and role. Then go ahead and click Test to verify your credentials. And once they're okay, go ahead and click Save. So that's how you save your database. Now let's run queries. To run queries, go to the add-ons again, and this time click Launch. Select the database that you would like to use, and paste in your query. So I'll paste in a query that selects all the information from the customer table with the limit of 10. Then go ahead and click Run. After you've done so, go ahead and save your query. So a query name is mandatory, but the description is optional. So go ahead and paste it in. And click Save once you're done. Now let's schedule queries. To schedule a query, go to the Schedule tab, and here you can pick the query that you'd like to schedule and the sheet that you would like to run it in. You can choose to repeat your data every day, on certain days of the week, on certain days of the month, and also on certain months of the year, or run it once. So I'll choose every day. Then you can choose to run it once on those days or once every certain amount of hours or minutes. I'll choose minutes. Next, choose a time range in terms of how you like to schedule your data. So I can choose between 4:55 a.m. to 7:15 p.m. Then go ahead and click Schedule. After you've clicked Schedule, make sure you share the sheet with the Castodia email. So click on the icon here, go to Share, and share with Castodia. Make sure that the edit option is also on before you send, and then go ahead and click Send. It's important to note that whenever you do run or schedule queries, a pink line will form underneath your sheet name to indicate that you used the add-on. And so now in a minute, we will see a new dataset form in our spreadsheet just like this. And that's it.